Hey y'all, good morning. Today we are solving LeetCode question 1750, minimum length of string after deleting similar ends. So before I started recording, I took a look at the question and it boils down to just having a string and deleting the prefix and the suffix until you get an empty string. I'm sure you read through the question yourself as well. So let's get into the solution. My intuition tells me that we can solve this in O of n time. And my solution is to have a while loop to check if S0 is equal to S1. And then if this is true, we could use 2 pointers to identify, or maybe we could use the strip command. Or actually, yeah, we could use 2 pointers to identify the characters on each end. Or we could do strip command. I'm not sure about the strip command, I just thought of that, but I know we could use the 2 pointers. Let's just do the 2 pointers and see if we could opt in for the strip command. So, we have to return the length of the result. Return the length of the result string. So while S0 equals S1, S-1. So if the 2 ends are the same and length of S is greater than 1, it has to be at least 2, then we can have 2 pointers left and right at 0 and length S minus 1. So that would be 2, yeah. Length S minus 1. And then we can do while. Okay. So the character is S is 0, while while the left pointer points at a character that is the character that we're looking for, then it will keep moving the pointer forward until it reaches a character that is not the character we're looking for. So it will stop on the character that we are not looking for. And then we'll do the same for the right pointer, but right pointer will go backwards. So the right pointer will also stop on a character that we're not looking for. So this is inclusive. We want that character, and this is also inclusive. So we could just update string. String is now the left pointer inclusive and the right pointer plus 1, because in Python this is exclusive, so we have to add 1. And then we could just return length of S, right? And then that should be it. this would be a O of n solution in the worst case, where, like for this example, output is 0. We deleted every element. That means we went through every element at least once. That's why in the worst case it would be O of n. Hopefully that works. Oh gosh. String index out of range. Now, how did that happen? Okay, this is a little iffy because the index error is telling me that our pointer went completely haywire. So we need to check the length of s is greater than 1. And we probably gotta do the same for here. But I'm not sure if that's gonna work. I feel like the strip command would fix all of this. So why don't we just comment this out? And we could probably do like s.strip and then pass in the character. Oh, we gotta do s equals s.strip and then pass in the character. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's go. Please work. Nice. See you tomorrow.